When people hear 2,000 calories, they imagine fast food, snacks, and tiny portions. But here's the truth most people don't realize. You can lose up to 40 pounds while eating 2,000 calories a day paying if you eat the right foods.
Calories are not the enemy. The quality of those calories determines whether you lose fat or gain weight. In this video, I'll show you exactly what 2,000 calories looks like during a real weight loss journey. Not starvation, not extreme dieting, but sustainable fat loss.
By focusing on nutrient density, prioritizing protein, and listening to your body, you can unlock why some people thrive on more food. First, you would wonder why 2,000 calories can still cause weight loss. Weight loss depends on calorie balance, but also on protein intake, fiber, blood sugar control, meal timing, food volume.
For many adults, especially those starting at a higher weight, 2,000 calories can still be a calorie deficit, especially when paired with movement. But here's the key difference. 2,000 calories of whole foods versus 2,000 calories of ultra-processed foods are not the same. Let's break it down meal by meal.
By focusing on nutrient density, prioritizing protein, and listening to your body, you can unlock why some people thrive on more food.
Breakfast 500 calories.
Oats, cooked with water or milk, are a common breakfast choice. Oats are classified as a complex carbohydrate. They are rich in soluble fiber, a key component for digestive health. Soluble fiber slows down the digestive process. This slower digestion promotes a prolonged feeling of fullness. The fiber content helps prevent rapid increases in blood sugar levels, contributing to sustained energy. Eggs are a notable source of dietary protein. Protein is essential for promoting satiety after consumption. The digestion of protein takes longer compared to simple carbohydrates. This extended digestion period aids in controlling hunger effectively. Controlling hunger reduces the chances of overeating later in the day. Eggs also provide essential amino acids required for various bodily functions. Bananas provide natural sweetness and essential nutrients. The fiber in bananas slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Bananas are a source of potassium, an important electrolyte for bodily functions. Peanut butter contributes healthy fats and protein, promoting satiety and sustained energy.
Wait. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.
Lunch 600 calories.
Many diets fail due to overly restrictive calorie limits. Diets also fail when individuals choose inappropriate foods. A balanced lunch is crucial for maintaining energy levels. A balanced lunch supports effective fat loss. A 600-calorie lunch provides a good balance for these goals. A sample lunch includes rice or potatoes as a carbohydrate source. Grilled chicken, fish, or beans provide protein. A large serving of vegetables ensures sufficient micronutrient intake. A small amount of oil is used for cooking, adding essential fats. This combination of foods provides essential nutrients while controlling calorie intake. The visual presentation of a meal significantly impacts satisfaction. A large, visually appealing plate enhances the eating experience. High-volume foods allow for greater physical consumption. These foods typically contain fewer calories per unit volume. This approach makes fat loss more manageable by promoting satiety. Sustainable fat loss is achieved through consistent consumption of high-volume, low-calorie foods.
Snacks 300 calories.
Snacks, in themselves, are not detrimental to weight loss efforts. The primary issue arises from mindless snacking habits. Mindless snacking often leads to excessive calorie consumption. Choosing snacks with a controlled calorie count can be beneficial. A target of around 300 calories per snack is a reasonable guideline. Healthy snacks involve combining different food groups for balanced nutrition. Examples include fruit paired with yogurt, offering both natural sugars and protein. Measured portions of ground nuts or nuts provide healthy fats and sustained energy. Boiled eggs are a simple source of high-quality protein and essential amino acids. Air-popped popcorn is a low-calorie, whole-grain option that satisfies cravings. These snacks deliver essential nutrients while preventing excessive calorie consumption.
Dinner 500 to 600 calories.
Dinner should be structured to aid recovery, not hinder digestive processes. A well-rounded meal is essential for effective recovery. Carbohydrates should be included to provide sustained energy. Sweet potatoes or plantains are suitable carbohydrate sources. These options offer sustained energy without excessive processing. Incorporating vegetables into meals can significantly enhance satiety. Vegetables and soups provide essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall nutritional balance. Vegetable-rich diets also promote digestive ease and regularity. Consuming protein sources like fish, eggs, or lean meat supports muscle recovery and repair. These protein-rich foods provide essential amino acids for muscle protein synthesis. Including these options helps create a balanced and satisfying meal. A balanced meal helps to avoid feelings of starvation or guilt. Prioritize protein intake while maintaining a reasonable caloric range. This approach aligns with a 2,000 calorie daily intake for many individuals.
Now let's compare. Same 2,000 calories, different results. 2,000 calories of junk food might look like burger, fries, soda, snacks, desserts. You finish it quickly, you're hungry again, your blood sugar spikes, and fat storage increases. 2,000 calories of whole foods looks like 3 full meals, 2 snacks, large portions, stable energy, fat loss over time. Same calories, completely different outcome. How this leads to 40-pound weight loss. When you eat like this consistently, hunger decreases cravings, reduced muscle is preserved, metabolism stays active, fat loss becomes steady. Losing 40 pounds doesn't require eating less food. It requires eating smarter food.
2,000 calories isn't too much. It's only too much when the food works against you. If you want weight loss that lasts, focus on food quality, protein, and consistency, or right in, not extreme restriction.